Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your birthday on Snapchat. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about a minute. So all you have to do is head over to your Snapchat application and you want to open that up. And then all you have to do when you're on the Snapchat application is you just want to click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Head over to the settings in the top right corner. And then you can see under birthday, you can just click on birthday. And then you could edit your birthday here if you'd like, or add one if you don't have one at all. And that's how easy it is. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.